Hi friends, let us solve one nice geometry problem. This is an easily way problem only. Here we are given a triangle. In fact, we are given two triangles. Right, a triangle DEF, and within the triangle ABC points are taken. A, B, C points are taken such that EC is equal to AC, EC is AC, and CF equal to BC. CF is equal to BC, CB. Right. And we are also given that angle D is 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Then what is ACB? What is this angle? Right. Now it looks little tricky, but in fact it is very easy. Let's see how. Let us, these two sides are equal, right? AC equal to AC. That means angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So let's assume these two are x and x. Similarly, BC and CF are equal, so angles opposite equal sides. This let's assume y and y. Right, x and x and y. So what will this angle become? This angle will become 180 minus 2x. Right. Similarly, this angle will become 180 minus 2y. Right. This is 180 minus 2x. That's what we have written, and this is 180 minus 2y. Right. Now, if you see x plus y plus this angle D is actually 180 because DE ABC or DEF. This is a big triangle. All three angles, all three angles total should be 180. So x plus this y plus this 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What does that mean? X plus y is equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140 degrees. Right. That is fine. Now, at the same time, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, these three, 180 minus 2x plus whatever is that something, plus 180 minus 2y. These three together, they should be 180 degrees because this is a straight line. And this line, right? And this one is a straight line. So what does that mean? What is the middle one? Middle one is total 180 minus this part minus this part. Right? 180 minus, which is this part is 180 minus 2x. This is 180 minus 2x. This part is 180 minus 2, which is minus 180 minus 2y. This 180 will get cancelled, and minus of minus 2x and minus of minus 2y will become plus 2x plus 2x plus 2y. Right? So we simplify this 2 into x plus y minus 180 degrees. But we already derived 2 into x plus, so x plus y is actually equal to 140 from the bigger triangle, right? X plus y is 140 degrees. Let's just substitute. Then 2 into 140 minus 180, which is equal to 100. 280 minus 100, which is 100 degrees. Right? ACB is 100 degrees. It doesn't look like, don't mind. The problem does, and the diagram is not done per scale. Right? It doesn't look 180 degrees. Right? Looks like an acute angle. It doesn't matter. Cool. So this is such an easy problem. It looks little tricky. It has come in one of those prestigious exams, but in fact it is very straightforward. We have used nothing. We just use the you use this theorem that angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. Thank you guys.